Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am so excited to share this unboxing with you guys. So if you've been watching my channel for a while or following me on Instagram, you would know that there is a particular Chanel bag that I have been wanting for over a year, and I finally have it. I finally got it today. It is pre-loved, and I actually purchased it from a really lovely subscriber, so I got to meet her today, and thank you so much again if you're watching. I am just so excited. Anyway, I just got home and I have looked at the bag briefly, but I wanted to unbox it with you guys because yeah, I wanted to share it. I'm just so excited. Anyway, I'm gonna get right into the unboxing. So here is the camellia and the ribbon. I tried to put the ribbon back on properly, but it never really looks that good when I do it. And it came with the box and the tissue. It also came with the Chanel receipt. This bag was just so hard to find, especially from a Canadian seller. I really wanted to purchase it from somebody within Canada just to make life easier. So yeah, it was a very long search. This is the dust bag. And here is my Chanel light gold, or rose gold as some people call it, mini. Oh, it's just so gorgeous. Let me take the felt out. I am just so thrilled to have this. As some of you guys know, I have a few SLGs in this color, and I've just wanted a bag in this leather basically ever since they came out. But these bags are really, really difficult to find. So it is pre-loved, but it's in great condition. I'll show you the inside there. Oh, it's just so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Oh, it's so pretty. I'll show you the back. And bottom. This color is just absolutely stunning, and I love the silver hardware. Yeah, so it's been a really, really tough bag to find, especially here in Canada, and you know, finding a reliable seller and a price that I could live with, because you know, these bags just go for a crazy amount, especially when you're paying in Canadian dollars. So I will definitely do another video on this once I've used it, and I will definitely be posting some photos on Instagram as I start using it. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing to share with you guys that I finally found one. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate everybody who watches and likes my videos and leaves comments, takes the time to leave comments. I really, really appreciate it. And thank you so much again to the subscriber who reached out to me and helped me get this bag. I am so grateful, and it was lovely to meet you. So yeah, if you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.